Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Tesla wall connector for multiple vehicles at home. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure your Tesla wall connector for multiple vehicles at home, start by ensuring you have the correct wall connector model. Next, check that your wall connector is installed according to Tesla's guidelines. Power on your wall connector and wait for it to boot up. Use the touchscreen to access the settings menu. Select the power sharing option. Enable power sharing by tapping the toggle switch. Next, determine how many vehicles you want to connect to the wall connector. Connect the first vehicle to the wall connector using the charging cable. Allow the wall connector to recognize this vehicle. Once recognized, go back to the settings menu. Add a second vehicle by connecting it with a separate charging cable. Ensure both vehicles are connected simultaneously. The wall connector will automatically allocate power between the vehicles. For optimal configuration, check the current sharing options. You may adjust the amperage for each vehicle based on your home's electrical capacity. If you plan to add more vehicles, repeat the connection process. Consult the user manual for specific amperage settings suitable for your household. Monitor the charging status on the touchscreen for each vehicle connected. Test the setup by initiating a charging session for both vehicles. Verify that both vehicles are receiving the appropriate charge. After configuration, ensure to periodically check the software updates for your wall connector. Keep your charging environment safe and organized to prevent any hazards. After successful configuration, enjoy the convenience of charging multiple Tesla vehicles at home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.